Hey everyone, do you have chores to do this weekend?
Let's listen to a simple and natural English conversation about weekend chores.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, you will listen to a real-life English conversation about weekend chores.
This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills naturally and easily. Good morning, Paul. Are you ready for the weekend?
Good morning, Emily. Yes, but I have a lot of chores to do.
Me too. We should clean the house today.
I agree. Where should we start?
Let's start with the living room.
Okay, I'll clean the windows.
Great. I'll dust the furniture and clean the floor.
Sounds good. There are also some clothes on the sofa.
Oh, right. I'll put them away.
Perfect. Let's make the living room look nice.
The living room looks much better now.
Yes, it does. What's next?
The kitchen.
Oh, the kitchen. There are a lot of dishes.
I'll wash the dishes.
Then I'll clean the kitchen table.
Good idea. Can you also take out the trash?
Sure, I'll do that after I clean the table.
Thanks, Paul.
No problem. Do we need to clean the refrigerator?
Maybe not today. We can do that next weekend.
That sounds good. I'm already getting tired.
We still have a few chores left.
What should we do next?
Let's do the laundry.
Okay, I'll put the clothes in the washing machine.
Great. I'll separate the white clothes from the dark clothes.
Should we wash the towels too?
Yes, please. They need to be washed.
All right, I'll start the washing machine.
After that, we can clean the bathroom.
The bathroom too?
Yes, but it won't take long.
Okay, let's finish it quickly.
We're almost done.
Finally, I'm ready to relax.
Me too. After all these chores, we deserve a break.
How about some coffee?
That sounds perfect. What chores do you usually do on the weekend?
Do you clean your house, do laundry, or go grocery shopping?
Tell us in the comments.
Thanks for listening, and see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.